Welcome back, everybody. I'm on a short break in the middle of the Griddle More Tour. And I'm developing a new recipe. In fact, the idea just hit me in the head today. I'm calling it Fiesta Shrimp. I was getting ready to make one of my shrimp scampi types of recipes, and then I remembered this sweet shirt that Raul and Belicia gave me. They're our tour driver and our field manager this year. They're from San Antonio, Texas, and I love them. They've become my really good friends, and they hooked me up with this sweet Fiesta shirt. And these are Argentine red shrimp. These are my favorite. Actually from Argentina, and you can see they have that beautiful red color to them when they're raw, unlike most shrimp, which has that unsightly gray color when they're raw. We'll start out with some olive oil. As you can see, my shrimp are pretty much patted dry here, so we're gonna drizzle some olive oil on top of my shrimp, and then I'm gonna hit them with the Double Trouble, Blackstone's tequila lime, and the blackened steak seasoning. And I'll just set these aside for a minute or two. We're using the Blackstone 28-inch Pro Series, and you can see I have a seasoned steel paella pan on top here with some delicious melted butter. All right, I'm gonna drop some very thinly sliced jalapenos in there with the seeds. That's right, I want that heat today. So we're gonna put the jalapenos in there, followed by some limes and lemon. This is gonna be both flavor and, of course, presentation. So a little bit of lime, a little bit of lemon. These are gonna start to simmer in that butter, and hopefully this will give me a delicious Fiesta flavor. And of course, fresh garlic. You need to have some garlic in there, so it's gonna be generous with the garlic. And lastly, a little bit of vegetable broth. You know, you could also do tequila in this recipe. So first things first, a little bit of olive oil over here. I just don't like to look at a dry griddle top ever, so a little bit of oil rubbed into my griddle top, and then seasoning side down with these beautiful Argentine red shrimp. It's been about 1 minute. Let's check out these shrimp. It's just been a few minutes, and that is exactly what we want the shrimp to look like. Straight in to my Fiesta mixture. All right, let's pull out my serving platter. It's one of the classic Blackstone cast iron serving platters. And let me grab our food over here. All right, folks, check it out. Last but not least, we have to go with the fresh chopped cilantro. To say, friends, it looks delicious, and of course I'm gonna go in for this one first here. It's gorgeously seared. Let's give it a try. First thing that I need to say, I have been forgetting to say, is it's a healthy dish. So take a look at this. Friends, you know me. For most of my YouTube griddling career, I'm Mr. hamburger and greasy spoon, right? But you know what? I cook what I eat. So even when I cook all that food, I'm still exercising, working out, and eating in moderation. I'm not eating a whole griddle filled with burgers. But I've been on a real big, watching my diet phase lately, eating a lot less carbs and trying to eat less sugar. This is a very high protein, a very low carb, keto friendly meal here. I call it Fiesta shrimp, and these things are killer. I'm gonna go in for, two more. So there you have it. Hopefully you enjoyed me bringing you a little something different here today. I am loving cooking with a lot different flavors lately, right? I get into the same rut over and over and over, but man, lately on the road, been eating lots of seafood and trying to eat more healthy. So hopefully you'll come along for the ride. Again, if you want to watch greasy burgers, I got a ton of videos on how to do those, but this is something totally new for me, and hopefully you enjoyed it. Fiesta shrimp. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this is Todd saying praise the Lord and pass the shrimp.